here's the sketch. Watch what happens when we turn it into a full outfit. Wow. Now, let's change the colors. Same design, totally new vibe. And here's our model trying it on. Finally, here's the video of the model wearing it in real life. Okay, imagine this. You're sitting with your iPad, doodling some random outfit. Maybe it's a jacket with cargo pants. Maybe it's a gown with way too much drama. You know, the kind of doodle you make when you're bored, sipping coffee, pretending you're the next big fashion designer. Normally, that doodle, it just stays a doodle. You'd never see it come alive unless you had expensive software, hours of patience, and probably a design degree you don't have. But now, watch this. I drop that messy little sketch into this AI tool, and poof! In seconds, it transforms into a polished 3D fashion design that looks like it came straight off a runway mood board. And no, I'm not exaggerating. My jaw literally dropped the first time I saw it. But wait, we're not done. Next, I throw that outfit onto a custom AI model, pick a pose, generate a photo shoot, and then, because I'm extra, I even create a full-on campaign video. No human models, no studio rental, no juggling 10 different apps. Yep, one tool, one platform. This is Style3D AI. And honestly, it's about to break the internet for fashion creators. Now, before I show you the magic, let's have some real talk. If you've ever tried to design clothes digitally, you know the pain. The old workflow? A complete mess. Step 1, sketch and procreate. Step 2, throw it into Midjourney for some vibes. Step 3, Photoshop. Oh, don't get me started on fixing AI hands and broken fabrics. Step 4, export to Runway for animations. Step 5, Canva for the final graphics. That's like 5 different apps, 5 subscriptions, 5 headaches. And don't get me wrong, I love Midjourney, I love Photoshop, but if you're a beginner, it's overwhelming. You get lost between tabs, forget which file is which, and spend hours just trying to make one decent-looking outfit. I'm a little frustrated. And if you're a student or a small brand owner, time is literally money. Spending 8 hours on one look just isn't realistic. That's where Style3D AI walks in, like a superhero saying, "Hey, stop juggling 10 apps. I got you." So, what exactly is Style3D AI? Let me explain it like I'm talking to my best friend who's never touched an AI tool before. It's basically your all-in-one AI fashion studio. First, you upload your sketch. Doesn't matter how messy, it turns into a full 3D outfit. Second, you can restyle it. Swap denim for silk, make it pink instead of black, add a collar, done. Third, you throw it on an AI model. Not some boring copy and paste model. Nope. You pick body types, skin tones, poses, vibes, like casting your dream runway. Fourth, you can add accessories. Bags, sneakers, hats, because no outfit is complete without the extras, right? Fifth, and my favorite, you can create a full campaign video. Yep, instead of just static pics, you've got a whole moving, breathing photo shoot ready for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Oh, and if you're advanced, Style3D even gives you patterns, like the actual blueprints you'd hand to a tailor. Mind blown. Seriously, that part? Game changing. It's still in beta, but when it rolls out fully, fashion students, indie brands, you're gonna cry happy tears. All right, let's walk through it step by step. Step 1, sketch to design. So here's my masterpiece. Don't laugh. Okay, fine, laugh a little. It's giving more geometry homework than runway fashion, right? Honestly, I tried my best, but yeah, art is not my superpower. Since I clearly don't have Picasso-level doodling skills, I'll just use a random sample design from Style3D instead. And here's where the magic happens. The AI takes that proper design and instantly turns it into a fully rendered 3D jacket. Ooh! You can see fabric textures, folds, stitching, the whole vibe. Basically, my chaotic little sketch just got swapped out for a super muddled jacket. Step 2, restyling. Not feeling the color, I just type, make this a black oversized leather jacket. Done. 5 seconds. Then I change it to cropped with silver zippers. Done again. I literally giggled out loud because what used to take hours now takes seconds. Step 3, model styling. Designs are cute, but we want to see them on people. I pick a tall editorial model. Pose locked in. Instantly, my jacket fits perfectly. No weird proportions, no curse. Step 5, image to video. This is where it gets spicy. I animate the model, walking, turning, posing. It looks like a legit campaign video, like something a brand would pay thousands for. I just sat there smiling like an idiot. Bonus, pattern generation. When this beta feature fully drops, guys, doodle, render, campaign, real garment. One tool. I might actually cry. This is the future of fashion. So let's recap. Instead of wasting hours juggling 5 abs, pulling your hair out, you just use one. Sketch, restyle, model, accessorize, video, patterns. All inside Style3D AI. Fast, beginner-friendly, crazy powerful. So if you're a designer, a student, a small brand, or just someone who loves fashion, this is your sign. Don't sleep on this. Use my invite link in the description to grab 50 free credits and start experimenting today. And hey, if you want me to do a part 2, like making a full 10 outfit campaign in under an hour, drop a comment. I read every single one. Oh, and don't forget to hit subscribe because trust me, the AI fashion world is moving fast and you do not want to miss what's next. All right, fam, that's it for today. Sketch, style, shoot, and sell, all with Style3D AI.